Flute is one of the most simple and soothing instrument. It does not have any tar, it does not require any batteries or any charging. It's a natural instrument completely hollow from inside. It requires your breath and your finger movements to play beautiful melodies. Hi, my name is Harsh Dave and I would like to invite you to a 90-minute flute webinar where I'll help you understand how to learn this beautiful instrument. There are three very powerful principles a beginner needs to understand. Number one, how to get strong foundation. We have to use right flutes when we begin our flute learning, and these are not roadside flutes. And there may be so many flutes. If you Google it, you will see there is C scale, D sharp, A scale, G, E, F, F sharp. But what is the right scale and why? I'll talk about it when we meet during the live session. Secondly, what is the right way to blow so that you don't get a lot of hissing sound? Also, there are various notations that you can play on your flute, but how do you develop that finger flexibility? So, foundation is one of the most important criteria for you to begin flute learning, and it roughly takes about 90 days. So when we meet during the session, I'll tell you more about that. Number two principle is ear training. If you want to play any melody on your own, there are two very powerful skills you need to develop about ear training. And the third is emotions. We are humans. We love emotions, whether it is romance, whether it is devotional tunes, whether it is A.R. Rahman songs, Shreya Ghoshal songs, or your prayers. Any tune can be played beautifully with full of emotions with three skills of Indian classical flute techniques. So if you want to get strong foundation in flute, if you develop ear training so that you can play beautiful melodies, and number three, if you want to get emotions in your music, then this is going to be an absolute right session for you to start. With my 17 years of flute experience, I will help you understand how to get started in flute learning. Whether you are an absolute beginner, आप YouTube से सीखते आ रहे हो, or you are always trying to learn on your own, or probably you were just dreaming about learning it one day but so far did not get an opportunity, then this is an absolute right session for you to enter and get into the world of flute learning. So please click on the link below and register for the session, and please ensure that you join it on time because you don't want to miss any important skills or tips which will help you get started on this journey. So looking forward to help you discover the joy of flute learning, and see you soon. Let's get started this beautiful flute learning journey. Namaste.